Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to fix Wattpad login problem. So if you're not being able to log into your Wattpad account, first try checking the internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network. Also try switching between the mobile data and Wi-Fi. After that, you should be able to log into your account. If still you're not being able to log into your account, there might be some problem with your application. There might be some bugs. In that case, try updating the Wattpad. Open the Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now after you do that, what you have to do is search for Wattpad. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for Wattpad and tap on it. After that, tap on the option Update that you'll be able to see on your screen. After the update is completed, your problem should be fixed. If the problem is still not fixed, what you can do is try clearing the cache of Wattpad application. Open the app library of your device. Find the application for Wattpad and long press on it. Tap on the option App Info. Now tap on the option Storage and Cache that you can see on the screen. Tap on the option Clear Cache. After the cache is cleared, your problem should be fixed. If still you're not being able to log into your account, the credentials that you entered might be incorrect. In that case, tap on this option Forget Password that you can see in the login interface. Now enter your email or username over here. Tap on the option Send. After that, follow through the prompts in order to reset your password. After the password is reset, try logging into your account and you should be logged in. If still you're not being able to log into the account, what you have to do is simply try restarting the device. Sometimes there might be temporary software glitches in the device itself. So what you have to do is long press on the power button. Tap on the option Restart that you can see on the screen. After the device is restarted, temporary software glitches will be fixed and you should be able to log into your Wattpad account. So like this, you'll be able to fix your problem. So that is how you fix Wattpad login problem. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.